Hi, welcome to our podcast to where we explore spiritual signs, symbols, and synchronicity that guide us through life. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most beloved and powerful messenger from the natural world, the cardinal bird. You probably heard the phrase when a cardinal appears, a loved one is near. But what does that really mean? The cardinal at a glance. Description of the cardinal: bright red plumage, song, presence in North America year round, male versus female cardinal symbolism, common sightings, and why they tend to appear during quiet and reflective moments. So the cardinal's bright red color isn't just striking, it's symbolic. Red is associated with vitality, passion, and life force, but it's also the color of the root chakra, connecting us to our ancestors. Cardinal as a messenger. Spiritual belief: cardinals as messengers from deceased loved ones. Christianity in the red symbol and the red bird, symbol of Christ's blood and eternal life. Native American interpretations: protection, vitality, and family connection. In many Native American traditions, cardinals represent devotion and are seen as symbol of monogamy and family. Seeing one often means a reminder to nurture your relationships. Listeners submitted stories of cardinal sightings. When cardinals appear after funerals, in dreams, or during emotional lows. Commentary and interpretation of each. We received a story from Maya in Wisconsin. Her grandmother passed away unexpectedly. Days later, while sitting on the porch, a cardinal landed just feet away and stared at her before flying off. Mia said she instantly felt calm, as if her grandma had said, "I'm okay." Or ornithological facts: cardinals' habits, territory, behavior, calls, psychological comfort from animal encounters, balancing science and spirituality, why both matter. Science may tell us that cardinal is just looking for food or marking its territory. But the moment it appears during your grief or in a time of silence, your spirit knows it's more than coincidence. So, how to work with cardinal energy: journaling your sightings, meditation in inviting spiritual messages, creating an altar or placing a cardinal token, using red feathers or cardinal imagery for spiritual anchoring. Working with cardinal energy is about being open. Try asking a question aloud and notice if a cardinal appears within 24 hours. These moments ask us to listen not with our ears but with our soul. Meet folklore and cultural crossroad. Chinese symbolism: red bird as the vermilion bird of the south. Christian folklore: cardinals bring messages of hope and resurrection. Winter symbolism: cardinals as hope during barren months. I find it powerful that cardinals don't migrate, even in the darkest, coldest winters. They're still there, just like the love of those who pass. And summary of the cardinals' meaning: vitality, spirit, connection, eternal love. Um, if cardinals visit you, pay attention. Someone may be saying hello. Next time you see a cardinal, take a deep breath, take a moment, and message may become through the veils just for you. And thank you for listening.